In this video, you will get your TikTok post comments into this structured format. You will get when it was collected, source URL, in which language the comment is. For example, there are English and there are some other language comments there as well. How many people have replied to that comment? What is the description of the author profile, author of the comment? And most importantly, what is the text of that comment? And much more. So be with me until the end of this video. Hi, this is Dr. Mawwaisgill and you're watching Dr. Square. In the previous video, we looked at how to collect and organize publicly visible TikTok post data into Excel in a structured and responsible way. Now we are taking the next step. In this tutorial, we will focus on how to collect comment data from TikTok post and prepare it for analysis. Just like before, the focus is strictly on legal, ethical and policy compliant approaches. We are working only with comments that are publicly visible. We are not accessing private information, not bypassing platform protections and not doing anything that violates user privacy or platform rules. So by organizing TikTok comments into Excel, you can build structured datasets for thematic analysis, sentiment analysis, discourse studies, or computational research using your preferred tools. By the way, I am a certified expert and trainer in NVivo and MAXQDA. I also provide one-on-one guidance on social media data analysis using R and Python. If you want to have a one-on-one session between me and you, just simply send an email on the email showing at your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Now let's get started. You should have Mozilla Firefox installed in your computer. It's just like another web browser like Google Chrome. If you don't have it, just download it by visiting the link provided in the description of this video and install it. Once you install it, you should download this .xpi file as well. The link again is in the description of this video. So 2 steps: Mozilla Firefox, and then download this .xpi file. And then open Mozilla Firefox, go to this 3 lines button, go to extensions and themes, go to this setting like button, go to install add-on from file, select that file .xpi that you just downloaded. Now this add-on is ready to install. So hit add. If you want to pin it to the toolbar here, just select this one and hit OK. You will see this add-on here. Now open any TikTok post that you want to get the comments from. So this is just a post with 205 comments. You can see here, right? You don't need to sign in, by the way. So just open that post and go to this add-on. Here you will find TikTok comments. Turn it on. Go back to your TikTok post, refresh it. And I am going to open the comments again. So comments are opened by hitting here, Now when I go to this add-on, I will see 20 comments, 20 items have been saved somewhere. As I scroll down, you will see the number of items will be increased, the number of comments will be increased. So let's scroll till the end. I scroll till the end and there are 191 comments saved somewhere. The total number was 209. Maybe some comments were hidden or deleted or something. 191 comments are saved. Now the next step is download this .ndjson file. Hit here. That ndjson file is downloaded. Let's recap. Mozilla Firefox and then .xpi add-on file and then install add-on file in Mozilla Firefox, then open any TikTok post, open the comments section, go to add-on, turn the TikTok comments on, scroll down on your comments section, and once you are done, go back to this add-on and download this .ndjson file. Now you are just one step away from getting your CSV. Once you have your .ndjson file, open this web page. I have given the link to this web page in the description of this video. Now you have to drag and drop your ndjson file here. And within a second, you will get your CSV ready. Now, when we open it, we will get all our comments in this structured format. So when it was collected, from which post, in which language, some other language comments are there. How many people replied to that comment? What is the description of the author of the comment? What is the body text of that comment? What is the author of the comment's nickname? And much more. That wraps up this tutorial. You have now seen how to collect and organize publicly visible comments from TikTok posts into a structured Excel format. Everything demonstrated here is limited to information that is already visible on the platform. We are not accessing private content, not bypassing protections, and not doing anything that conflicts with the platform rules or user policy. before using your dataset, take a moment to review TikTok's official policies so that you can clearly understand what kinds of data use are appropriate for academic and research purposes. And if you need help moving from data collection to analysis, I provide one-on-one guidance. I am a certified expert and trainer in NVivo and MAXQDA, and I also support researchers using R and Python for social media data analysis, as I described in the start of this video. Whether you are planning thematic coding, sentiment analysis, or computational research, feel free to contact me. My email is popping up on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.